Hello, Sabadi everybody. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nali. Today I want to show you how I make my pad thai sauce. The recipe that I'm going to show you, it is so easy to make. All right, let's get started. Here's our ingredients. We have the shallots, 3 cloves of garlic. We will be using a total of 7 tablespoons of sugar. I only have white sugar, but if you have brown sugar or palm sugar, that is best to use. 6 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 6 tablespoons of the tamarind concentrated. All right, let's get peeling with the shallots. This was not a big size, probably like a really small to medium size. I only used 1. And I do have a secret ingredients. I'll bring it out in the middle of the video. You will be shockingly surprised because it gives the thickness, the sweetness, and the sourness of the pad thai. I just can't wait to show you guys. The reason I smash my garlic like this, see the peel? It comes out so easily. And then just go ahead and mince it. Okay, now we got our minced garlic, our sliced shallots. We also are going to add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil in this pan in medium to low heat. I also don't wait till the cooking oil is hot. I just go ahead and add my shallots in right away and my garlic because I'm not trying to fry them. I'm just trying to get them like light brown to soft. And if you have fried garlics or shallots before, you know it smells really good. So imagine smelling it right now. Okay, now that our shallots and garlic is lightly brown and soft, I'm going to go ahead and add in my 6 tablespoons of concentrated tamarind paste. This pad thai sauce, the servings, it serves up to 6 to 8 people. So you can make a single serving 6 to 8 times. Just remember to keep your heat low to medium because you don't want to overcook it or else it's just going to burn. Also, just go ahead and add in your 6 tablespoons of fish sauce. And add in your 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Get all of it out. Add in your pinch of salt. Also add in your total of 7 tablespoons of sugar. And like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you have palm sugar, coconut sugar, brown sugar, dark brown sugar, it's probably best and it makes your sauce more darker. And if you're like me, all you have is white sugar in your kitchen, that is fine too. Because it's not going to make your sauce taste any different as long as you use these ingredients. And here comes the secret ingredients. Ta-da! Yep, 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Yes, you heard that right, ketchup. The ketchup gives it a little bit of the sourness, the thickness, and the redness of the color to the sauce. Don't knock it till you try it. It's something I put in my sauce all the time. And then go ahead and give that a good mix in the pot. Remember, your heat should be medium to low, more to the low. And if you're curious, here's the ketchup that I use. Heinz tomato ketchup. Yep, it's the best one. I mean, it's the best to use for this pad thai sauce. And just let that cook between like 5 to 8 minutes on low. Simmer it. Just kind of stir it on and off. If you like the video so far and you find it useful, hit like and subscribe. And yes, you see how easy it was? I just put everything in a pot and just stir it occasionally. Look at that thickness of the sauce coming together. You see that? Oh my gosh. That looks good, right? I hope you have your rice noodle and your shrimp ready because for the next part, I'm going to show you how I make my pad thai with this sauce. Okay, so our pad thai has been cooled down. Yeah, the longer it's cooled down, the thicker the sauce gets. So that's even better. Look at that. And the taste to it is a little bit of sweet, a little bit of salty, a little bit of sour. Thank you so much for watching. Hello, Sabadi. My name is Nali. Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to show you how I make my pad thai. Today, I'll be making it with the big jumbo shrimp or jumbo prawns and also with pork for my sister. Okay, so for the noodles, I have this pack of rice noodle. I know if you go to the store, they have one specifically for pad thai. So you want to grab the one that says pad thai. Okay, and for the sauce, I made this couple hours earlier. I just happened to have it in a bottle. But I'm going to put the link in the description below of how to make it. And in that tray, I have sugar, chili flakes, crushed peanuts, lime, bean sprout, and green onion. Those are just for garnish. Let's get started. In the pan, I have 2.5 tablespoons of cooking oil. And once that's hot enough, go ahead and add in your shrimp. Yep, just like that. Just be careful. Don't stay too close to the pan because you see the oil jumping. Want to stay away from that. And go ahead and let that cook for like a minute or two. Okay, once that's cooked, just turn it to the other side. I know the original way is to use tofu, but I don't have any tofu right now. But you know what? It doesn't matter. Use whatever meat you want to use. That's why I like cooking my shrimp first. You get that crispy brown color. Once your shrimp is cooked like 80%, go ahead and add in the noodles. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. And let's get back to cooking. It looks like I put a lot, but trust me, I didn't. I think it was just at the most 3 tablespoons. Because there's still a lot left in the bottle. See, look. I didn't use too much of it. But you could always add more sauce of the pad thai. Okay, and then you want to go ahead and just stir that all around. So all your noodles coated. You see how orange, brown it's getting? That nice color that you always see in the Thailand street market. And then go ahead and add in your 1 egg. I mean, you could add more, but I just added 1. And what I like to do is when the egg is almost like cooked, 50%, I flip my noodle and just cover their eggs just like this. Oh, and look at that jumbo shrimp. Look at it. You see how crispy and brown it is? See? Nice, right? And that's why I cook my shrimp first. And to make sure it's cooked. And don't be scared to add like a tablespoon of water at a time. It helps soften up the noodles. And just go ahead and stir it up. This noodle did not take long to cook at all. So when you could tell, like right now, the noodle's getting soft, so you know we're close to done. Okay, go ahead and add in your bean sprout. And then you want to add in your sliced green onion. Only put your bean sprout and green onion in the pan when you already have turned off the heat, or else you're just going to overcook it. Just look at that beauty. And just go ahead and give it a quick stir. And that's coming out so perfectly. I just want to say, please go watch my video. I'm going to put it in the link below in the description. Go watch it and see how I make the pad thai sauce. Look at that. It is finally done. Just give me a close-up look. Now let's go ahead and put in the tray that we already had assembled. Doesn't that look good? Isn't it so perfect? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Once I was done filming, I ate the whole plate. It was so good. And I also want to say I also made one for my sister. She loves it spicy, so I put in the crushed peanut and the crushed chili flakes right into the pan and just fry it up for her. See? And that's with pork because she can't have shrimp. I just want to say thanks for watching.